If you're a design professional or a marketing professional who hasn't adopted an AI solution because it's cost prohibitive or you don't want to pay for an AI subscription to Midjourney, for example, this video is going to show you a much more cost-effective way to get access to great images really fast at a lower cost than what you would pay for Midjourney or some other AI platform. And you'll also get access to tons of other content as part of the subscription. What we can see here is the subscriptions for Midjourney. We can get the basic plan starting at $8 a month, and that goes all the way up to $96 a month for the mega plan. Most people don't need these plans. You just simply need a way to create images now and again for the work that you have. The solution I'm using today is called FreePick. FreePick is a stock photography site. It is only $6 a month. And for $6 a month, you get access to all of the types of stock imagery, photography, and vector art that you would expect, including Photoshop layered files and everything else you could imagine. Plus, you also get access to Midjourney, dall-e, and AI image creation. What you're seeing here is a basic FreePick search of a prompt that I put in. It's a very basic prompt, but you can see here the results are pretty good. I am looking for a photograph of a male coach dressed up nicely and professionally, and this is what I get. At the same time, I can do a search for female coaches, and you can see the results here are also pretty good, but they do have that sort of fake AI look to them. They don't quite look photorealistic. You can tell that this is generated by artificial intelligence. If we take a look at some of these male coaching images, they're okay at a glance, but you can tell that this is a fake image. But what's really nice about FreePick is it also comes with an image generation prompt. This is specifically going to create new images. I mean, you look at these really do look photorealistic. This looks like a photograph that I would take with my camera. And these are totally acceptable and can be used in a website, in a blog post, and all of the prompts and tricks you would expect to work. If we take a look at the same prompt for female coaches, this also looks great. It doesn't look fake. This is completely usable in a website or a blog post or even in print marketing material because you can download these in high resolution. In addition to just having great image prompts, you can see the one here that I pulled in. You can also apply different crops, different styling, different color settings, different light settings, and it will regenerate the images for you really fast. Just takes a few seconds for these images to come back in, and you can see now that I've got a whole new set of images with a prompt applied to it. So to prove how well this works, I wanted to take some popular prompts that are out there and just copy them and show you how well FreePick does. So I'm gonna go to FreePick, choose Premium, choose Midjourney, do my search, and these results are really great. So you get everything that FreePick offers, plus you get really great AI image generation. It's incredibly fast, and I think it's a much better value than anything else that I've seen out there. But if you're using something that compares to this, that's faster, easier to use, and of higher quality, please let me know down in the comments.